Welcome to Reservety tutorials. In this episode, we will show you how to create pop-ups. Pop-ups are one of the simplest and most effective ways to capture attention, promote offers, and increase conversions on your rental or booking website. Whether you are announcing a seasonal deal, offering a discount coupon, or encouraging last-minute bookings, a well-timed pop-up can turn visitors into paying customers instantly. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create eye-catching pop-ups on Reservety so you can boost engagement, promote offers, and grow your revenue. This is one of the pop-ups we created on Reservety. It includes the coupon code. The system will trigger this pop-up under certain settings. You can set it up for exit, or you can set it up for delayed activity. Anyways, when customer clicks on this button here, they will be redirected to the specific page, and they will be using this coupon code to get 10% off from their total amount. Now let's learn how to create cool pop-ups like this. Go to the admin, click on View Admin. On your rental dashboard, click on Store Designer, click on Pages, then select the page you want the pop-up to appear. In this case, we want the pop-up to appear on a home page, so we will select Home Page and click on Edit. Click on Visual Editor. Then go to the search bar and type pop-up. You can create pop-ups in two forms. You can create the actual pop-up and you can create notification box. And both of them will appear as a pop-up. In this case, we will go with the notification pop-up. Click on it. As you can see, notification box is empty right now because we need to type a message on the sidebar. Here you can write your simple message. For instance, let's say we want the customers know that we will be closed on Monday for the scheduled maintenance. In this case, we will write our message in this format. But you can change this design. Go ahead and select the text and make it bold. Let's say we want to change the text color. In this case, we will highlight the text. Then we will click on text color icon and select red. As you can see, our message appears in a red color. And you can make it in other colors. Let's say we can make it blue and etc. And you can introduce other design settings by clicking on Advanced. Click on Advanced. For example, you can change the position of the box. And you can add special effects by activating confetti effects. Let's activate it and see the design. For example, let's select the fireworks. As you can see, before the message appears, fireworks will come on. Now let's make it snow. Click on snow and it will snow before the message, and so on. You can also apply other effects as well. For example, let's use the reveal effect in this case. Activate the reveal effect. For example, you can reveal the box from right to left, from the center, from top to bottom, and bottom to top. Then you can add sound effects, activate the sound effects. For example, if you want the sound come out when you click or hover over the box, you can select either one of these. And you can select the sound types, for example, button click, mouse click, bell ring, local audio. Now let's use that notification box to promote our coupons. Make sure you delete the old notification, not to confuse your visitors. We'll click on X. Now let's select the notification again. This time we will use pop-out banner. You can create that banner manually using various editors. In this case, we will simply use AI to reveal our coupon code on a banner. We wrote this command to ChatGPT. Create a pop-up for my ski rental business to reveal 10% off coupon code. Make it catchy with vibrant colors and use blue background. Use coupon code April 10. The offer expires on May 1st. Now let's click on enter or send prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT created only the text version. We want to turn it into HTML version. So we will write turn it into HTML. Click on enter again. As you can see, the system writes a code. Now click on the preview button here. As you can see, our banner is ready on ChatGPT. What we will do is click on the code bar here. Then we will copy the code, go back to the dashboard and delete the existing text from the notification box. Then we will click on the text tab and paste our code that we got from ChatGPT. As you can see, the banner appears on our website. Now let's work on the settings to trigger the pop-up. Under which circumstances our pop-up will appear. To do that, pay attention to the settings under notification. The type will be pop-up. If you want the pop-up to appear as soon as visitor enters your website, you can select page unload, or you can set on click, on hover, or in time delay. For example, if you want the pop-up to appear after inactivity, you can select this in time delay and set the time delay. For example, let's say we want the pop-up to appear after 4000 microseconds, and you can set the length or the display time of the pop-up banner. Let's make it maximum. Then you can change the any text from this code. You can change get ready to hit the slopes for less. Again, you can apply additional settings. For example, you can set the limit, how many times you want to display the banner for the same person. For example, if you write 4, it will be displayed 4 times for the same customer. And you can set the display time expiry and so on. Everything here is a self-explanatory. You can just set them based on your preference. And you can, again, you can set the sound effects and you can add a wrapper link. And if you want to introduce more design settings, you will click on advanced and you can position them based on these settings. And you can, again, you can activate the confetti effects. You can activate the fireworks, snow, and etc. As you can see here. Let's say we want the box to appear with the fireworks. We will select fireworks and the fireworks will go on at the background and so on. Once you're done, you will click on publish. Click on publish. Now let's test the banner on our website. Click on view page. As you can see, the fireworks comes on before the message. And here's our pop-up banner. Again, you can trigger this pop-up in the beginning, after the delay, or when the person tries to leave your website. This completes our tutorial on how to set up pop-up banners and announcements, and we will see you in the next tutorials.